Top 10 most expensive dogs in the world. Number 1 is unbelievable. Number 10, Irish Wolfhound, $7,000 to $9,000. Tall, majestic, but short-lived. Number 9, Akita, $9,000 to $12,000. Japan's loyal legend. Number 8, Pharaoh Hound, $10,000 to $12,000. Maltese royalty, sleek and rare. Number 7, Saluki, $12,000 to $15,000. Ancient elegance from Egypt. Number 6, Chow Chow, $11,000 to $20,000. Fluffy, fierce, and high maintenance. Number 5, Lochin, $15,000 to $20,000. Tiny lion dog, extremely rare. Number 4, Samoyed, $14,000 to $20,000. The Smiling Snow Beauty. Number 3, Tibetan Mastiff, $20,000 to $500,000. Giant Guardian, pure power. Number 2, Czechoslovakian Wolf Dog, $50,000 to $100,000. Wild Spirit, Wolf Looks. Number 1, Red Tibetan Mastiff, $500,000 to $2 million. One sold for $1.9 million? Unreal luxury. Here's a quick question. If you could buy one of these dogs, which one would you pick?